Welcome to this detailed walkthrough of ViaBTC, a prominent cryptocurrency mining platform that has become a go-to solution for both beginners and seasoned miners. ViaBTC offers a variety of mining pools that cater to popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, and more. Its user-friendly interface is designed to help users track their mining stats, monitor performance, and optimize their mining operations. To get started on ViaBTC, users need to create an account. The registration process is straightforward, requiring only an email address and a secure password. Once logged in, the dashboard provides a clear overview of available mining pools, historical earnings, and other essential details. For new miners, ViaBTC also provides detailed tutorials on how to set up mining software and connect to their pools. ViaBTC's strength lies in its efficiency. The platform ensures minimal downtime and employs advanced algorithms to distribute mining power effectively. This allows users to maximize returns while reducing the risks associated with mining. The payout system is flexible, supporting popular models like PPS Plus and FEPS, ensuring users can choose the best structure for their mining needs. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. In addition to its pools, ViaBTC offers features like cloud mining for those who prefer a hardware-free mining experience. The platform also supports a robust wallet system, making it easier for users to store and manage their mined assets securely. Detailed statistical tools are available to analyze hash rates and earnings over time, helping miners make informed decisions. Security is a top priority at ViaBTC. The platform employs multiple security measures, including two-factor authentication and regular updates, to ensure the safety of user data and funds. Its commitment to transparency is evident in its detailed mining reports and user-friendly policies. If you're considering diving into crypto mining or optimizing your current setup, ViaBTC offers everything you need to succeed. Whether you're mining solo or as part of a larger pool, this platform delivers reliability, transparency, and profitability. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the like button for more in-depth crypto reviews and tutorials.